Okay, once again, sorry for the poor audio. Gonna give you a quick update on the global map provinces portion of my little app. Click there. You'll want to watch up here and see when it was last updated. I'm going to go ahead and refresh it now, and it'll go out to the World of Tanks site and pull in the status of the entire global map, or the North American server. And it takes about 30 seconds or so, and it'll retrieve what clans own what provinces, and whether they're in riot or if they're a landing zone or regular. Now it's finished. Time gets updated, and now then I can just scroll through each province, see what battle map it is, see what clan owns it, and if I want to find places to land, if we're not already on the map, I can click in the status and say does not equal regular, so it'll show me just the landing zones and the riots. I can see that there's 43 provinces on the North American server that are in landing zones or riots. If I want to limit to a particular time zone, I'll find one that I'm looking for and say equals 1900. Now I can see that there are 30 provinces in the East Coast time zone that are either landing zones or in riot. Now I can sort it by greatest revenue, and I see the biggest honeypot is Atlanta, Georgia, is in riot, owned by TYR currently. These are the provinces that connect to Atlanta, Georgia, so if we were to take that, then we could go after Huntsville, which is the Live Oaks map. Atlanta, Georgia is the South Coast map. I can click the little URL link, and it'll open my web browser and take me to the Clan Wars global map on that province. And once that loads, then we can click on the landing and actually see, who's applied. Currently, the application portion of it is not included for retrieval in this, so you have to go to the global map on the web browser to see that much detail. One other little quickie thing for some of the battle callers is this clan info. If I go click the members of our clan, I now have, I've already updated the tanks, so that takes a couple of minutes, so I'm not going to do it again. But I'm going to see the tank players, and I can see in our clan a list of all the tanks that the clan has, how many people have them, or how many of them we have. So like E5s, we've got 34 E5s. So when I click on the E5, it shows me on this side all of the players that have it. Now there's a little column here that says online. Right now it's not automatic, but if you're looking at TeamSpeak, you could click this button and check off all the people that are actually online. Probably take you a couple of minutes, and you might miss some, and people are coming in and out, so it won't be up to date. This really is not going to be useful until it can be automated, but at any rate, this will show you the intent. And I don't know, let's pick a couple more here. PFR Man, Shmee, Scott, Soviet Tanker, Mofo, Steve, Terminal, Ultra, Tiny, Disturb. Okay, so I've selected those. Now I see little check marks in here. Some of them don't have check marks, so I'm going to click one and say is selected. So now it'll only show me the list of people that I've designated as online who have whatever tank I'm looking for. So if you need, TDs, you can restrict it to equals TDs, just the 10s. And so now that I can see everybody that's got the TDs. And these are ranked by desirability according to Reddit's preferences. So at any rate, that in theory could help a caller build his team quickly. but it really won't work until this online status can be automated instead of having to do this feature. But at any rate, that's kind of where I'm at on this project.